Hello, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today, Charles Angels? Today we're going to have a exciting unboxing today. This is just a Louis Vuitton haul that I have had for the past month, and then I just put it all together because I didn't have the time to open this up. So if you're interested on this one to find out what I got for this Louis Vuitton haul, check this out. Stay tuned. Hi. Today we're going to, this is an exciting one because this is an accumulation of my packages. Some of this one, it's not really mine, it's really a gift to my partner. So we're going to check that out today. I'm going to unbox all this one already so that it will be ready to ship out and then be done with it. So the first one that we're going to have is this little one. This is the one that's a gift. So that's the first box that we're going to have today. And then this one, I'm not going to ruin the how nicely it's done because it's a gift. So this one, it was really nice. So I'm kind of like contemplating of what to get for him because of his birthday is coming up. And then I was like, what am I going to give him? And then I'm kind of like, oh, we should be matchy-matchy. So I have this. It's a pull-out drawer. And then this one is the, any guesses? Any guesses? This one is the key holder in Damier graphite. It's the 6 key holder. I didn't get any stamps because I don't know if he's going to keep this one or not. I hope he will, but if it is not, it's okay. If he will, we're going to put his initials on here. But this one is that. You already have seen this one, me wearing it. So it's with the silver hardware, as you can see, and then it does have the 6 key holders in there. So that's that. And then here's the tag on that. So this one is a coated fabric. So that's that. And then this one is the Damier graphite. It's the Damier graphite key holder. So that's our first one. I'll put it on here so you're able to see that. The second one that we're going to have, this another thing from Louis Vuitton. I don't know, this one is a genuine unboxing because the only time I saw this stuff is when I'm at the store at Louis Vuitton Costa Mesa, and then after that, that's about it. And then it's been in the cabinet for the longest time because I was busy with the vacation that I took with the family. So yeah, that it's the California tour type of thing. So that's what it happened. So this one, I think this is the book. Okay, so anyway, so this one is a pull-up drawer, and then as you can see, there's the tissue paper with the Louis Vuitton on that, and I don't want to ruin it because I'll just pull this up so that it will be nicely done. And then because I really want to go to Paris next year after my graduation, let's see what's gonna happen on that one. So I'm crossing my fingers that I will be. So I got the Paris book. It's a guide to go to Paris. It's a city guide, and then that's their Q code on that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that one. There you go. So I'm excited. I hope I'm going to be able to go there next year. If not, I can just still do it on the following year anyways, because I'm going to graduate next year and it's going to be a lot of expenses and stuff, whatever. But this one is my goal. this is the goal. This is one of the bucket lists to really go to Paris, and then yeah. So and then the good thing about this one is you can download it on your Apple, from the Apple store. So which is good. So there's an app for this. So that's the second one that we have. The third one is this one. So this is so exciting because I don't know what to get inside. So this one, it's a different one. It's a different bag that they have. I think I know what's inside. So let's check this out. So this one is with a ribbon on that, and then oh, she really taped it good. So she glued it up. This is the first time. No, this is the second time I got this type of package. Usually it's with the shopping bag. So inside is the ta-da! Inside is the Louis Vuitton. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna see that. It's the Louis Vuitton perfume called Orage. So yeah, because we're into perfume, and he's into perfume, so this is the best. This is one of the gifts that I'm going to give him. And then this one is so smells so good. Oh, you're gonna die for. It's to die for the smell of this one, and it comes with this canister, so which is really good. And then I do have this one, the Orage. So it smells like citrusy. If you want me to do this kind of video, because we have a collection of perfume, let me know, comment below. So let me know about that one. If you want me to show you my our perfume collection about that. So let me know on that one. And then yeah, and then you can engrave it on here too. So yeah, for three letters or four numbers. So yeah, so this one, it smells so good. Oh, smells like, can you smell it? Smell it. Smells like or a citrusy, and it's not too strong, it's not too masculine, it's not too feminine. So yeah, so we do have L'Immensité, we do have Sur la Route, and now we do have the Orage. This one is 350 ml. This one is 250 ml, and then there's another one that's smaller than this one. It's like 150 or 100 ml. And then if you don't know, it's free to engrave this one, and then also it's $200 to refill a $200 to refill a 250 ml perfume. So you're just gonna go with them to them, and then they can refill it for you guys. So which is really nice. And look at this one. This one is really handy because last year when we went to Las Vegas, we want to have this one. And then we kept the canister, and then yeah, so easy to transport back and forth. So that's that. And then so this another one is this is my first one to have this. This one, it's kind of like I'm experimenting on the bag that I'm going to use this one for. Do you have any guesses about this one? This is a pull-out drawer, and then it's with the tissue paper and then the Louis Vuitton sticker on that. So I don't want to ruin it, so I'm going to do this. This one is the Bandeau. So yeah, because I'm kind of like thinking with my sack plat. Initially, what I'm thinking with that is that because the handles are already darkened, so I'm kind of like, oh, I can just use a Bandeau on that one. But then I kind of like decided to really just bring it to LV and replace the whole handle. But I fell in love with this one. This is a Bandeau. It's 100% silk. I'm going to show you There you go. It's blue, it's dark blue with all the chains in there. So it's really nice, right? So this is the one side of it. So it's, I think this one is like 200, oh no, 100, $120. And then here's the tag, Louis Vuitton on that. And then it says on the back that it's 100% silk. So that's good. And then on the other side, it's, oh, it's on the other side, it's all the LVs. So the flower, the LB sign, and then it's there's a pink, there's white, there's gold. So yeah, so you can use this one as this, just put down on your neck. You can use that one on your bag to tie a ribbon on it or something like that, or put that one on your head, but I'm not going to, of course. But yeah, this one is so nice, the color of it. And then she showed me some options, because what they have is like it's two light colors type of thing, like pink, and then I'm kind of like not really into it, and then I was telling my client advisor if she does have the darker colors. So she showed me two things in there. The one my favorite, there's two things in there. This is one of them, and I was like, oh, I really want this one, so I got it. And then now I'm probably just going to put that one on my bag. The last one, this one you already have seen. This one is the repair that I have. This is the repair bag that I have from Myra, my client advisor. This is the bag that I was telling you about. I haven't used this one yet because I have some stuff to do still, but this is the beautiful attached case bag. I don't know what you call this one, but this is a bag. So she replaced this one, and then also they replaced the hardware on top. So they replaced the whole thing, and then also she replaced this one too. So there's a sticker still on here. So yeah, so she gave me they replaced the whole lock system of this one and this. I don't think they replaced this one, but yeah. And then they gave me a new key. So they gave me a new key for this. And then now I'm going to order, of course, keys. So which is cool. So this one, I got this one from J-Ports. And then there you go. So I got this one from J-Ports, but look at how gorgeous this is. I just need to put edge coating on it, but other than that, look at the canvas. The canvas is so pretty. So yeah, there you go. And then this one, if you're wondering what is this for, because this one is a Vendome one. I got this one. This is the one that I got for free from Coach. I was asking the lady, oh hey, do you have some of the strap, kind of like a brown or light brown? And then eventually what had happened was she gave me this one for free, so which is really nice. So I can use it like over the shoulder type of thing. I cannot use this one as crossbody bag because it's too much, so it's too short for this one, but as a crossbody I can do that. So this is the one, this is the haul that I have for the meantime for you guys, and I hope you like it. And then this one is about $250 if you're interested with pricing on that. I'm not telling you the price because I'm bragging it. This is an information for everybody anyways, so that's why I'm telling you the price, not to brag it or anything. But this one, the key holder in the mirror graphite, is $250. And then the Bandeau, it's about 100, if I'm not mistaken, it's $120. $120 because I don't have the receipt. Oh, the city guide. The city guide is $37. So the cheapest thing that you can, one of the cheapest thing that you can get at Louis Vuitton, $37. And then this one, the perfume, the 200 ml is about $350, and then the 100 ml is about $250 for the perfume. And then this one, they replaced this one for $250 with free of the hardwares and then the keys. And then like I said, this one, the strap, I got that one for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. There's a lot of things that you can buy in there. I enjoy going there, and I enjoy more of going to the store rather than shopping online because of the experience of it. So if you have any questions, comments, and violent reaction, let me know now and comment below. If you like all this, and then if you do have some questions about all this, the one that I unboxed for you guys, let me know so that I can give you a correct information about that one. If you happen to be in Louis Vuitton Costa Mesa, say hi to my lovely friend and client advisor Myra and Nicole. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I enjoy all this. I hope you did enjoy this one too. If you haven't subscribed yet, push the notification button so you have the first dibs on the videos that I'm going to post for you guys. And then hit the notification button, like this video, and also follow me on my social media. I do have my Instagram, Charles California. I do have my Twitter, Unbox Me. And then I do have my Facebook at Charles California. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. I love you all, Charles Angels. Thank you very much. Bye.